In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the Netflix NW25 error on your smart television. Now, if you're getting this NW25 error appear on the screen like so, then this usually indicates an issue with your network connection. So how we're going to fix this is just first grab your television remote control and you need to bring up the settings menu on your TV. Now for me on this particular model of television, I'm just going to press the home button located in the middle here. Then come up to settings and scroll all the way over to all settings. Then we just need to come down to wireless and networks. And you should have this option inside of here for check the network. Depending on your model of television, how you get to this menu may look slightly different, but once we come over to check the network, you just need to ensure that you have a stable connection to the internet, and then we can close out of this window and then come down to Wi-Fi on/off. Click on this, and what we're going to do is just turn off the Wi-Fi by pressing this, and then we're going to re-enable it by turning it back on. So after you've checked your internet connection and you've enabled and disabled your internet, we can head back over to the Netflix application, and sometimes just doing this alone can fix the issue. If you're still getting the error message, what we need to do is head round to the back of the TV, and you need to find the power cord that runs from your TV to the power socket. Then simply unplug your TV from the power. While this is unplugged, you need to head round to the front of the TV and just locate the power button on your physical television. Now sometimes this button can either be on the sides or around the back of the TV. For this version of television, it's located on the back here, and you just need to hold this power button down for approximately 15 seconds, and then we can come back over to the plug and reinsert this back into the power, and this is going to perform what's known as a power cycle. So once you've done this, once again, you can check to see if the Netflix app is working. Otherwise, the last thing we're going to do is head over to your internet router, and we're going to do the same thing here just by unplugging this router from the wall, and you'll need to leave this unplugged for approximately 15 seconds, and then you can go ahead and reinsert it back into the power. And then you'll need to wait a couple of minutes for your router to reboot itself. And then finally, once we've reset our TV and our internet router, you should now be able to head over to Netflix and everything should be working as normal. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.